Gathered in this hall at the Government House, Port Harcourt, are political leaders, traditional rulers, youths and women from Ogba-Egbema and Ndoni local government area of Rivers State. Governor Gov Fubara has summoned them over reports that the contractor handling the construction of the dualization of the Omoku-Egbema Road has been sent packing. The project was awarded in 2007, but was abandoned after several billions of naira had been paid to the former contractor. Owing to the importance of the road to the people, the immediate past administration of Nyesom Wike decided to re-award the contract to a reputable contractor. And in line with its mantra of consolidation and continuity, the Fubara administration is working hard to ensure its completion.
The original cost of that job when it was awarded was 8.8 billion. Later on, it was reviewed for 13.3. The total amount paid as at that time before the revocation was 12.7 billion. And now we awarded this job to Centraco for 7.5 billion. And we have already committed about 5.2. To tell you our commitment.
Governor Fubara is, however, not happy with efforts being made to scuttle the good intentions of his administration.
I will not tolerate, I underline and repeat, I will not tolerate any sabotage. If there is any sabotage, I will ask the contractor to pull out. I will not do it again. I will not do it again.
For their part, the people of Ogba-Egbema and Ndoni local government area deny sending the contractor packing from site. They are instead accusing the contractor of cutting corners.
Was stopped by the youth when they saw that they brought in only one or two machines and start cutting the road and patching. They said this may not be Centraco. They all know that we will not stay here again and work on that contractor come and deny us of the job they have paid in millions because they are where that money has been released.
We also thank you because we know you're going to do far more for us. We are confident because we know you. But we're also saying, please, when the child is crying and pointing somewhere, check it out. We need nothing less than what is seen in our order.
And after listening to the people, Governor Gov Fubara vows to ensure that the contractor delivers a project that will meet the best standard.
Take it that this is the agreement that you have with me, that they are going to give their best. If they are not giving their best, then hold me responsible.
The Rivers State Governor also wants the Commissioner for Works to keep a close eye on the project in order to ensure that the contractor abides by the terms of the agreement.